And the opposition has ensured that there is a great deal of focus in Parliament and outside of Parliament on your government, especially when it came to the Adani issue. There is this persistent claim of some sort of cronyism between Mr. Modi directly and Mr. Adani. You know about this. There has been talk that the economy could have been doing much better. It isn't, and therefore people are facing hardships on account of inflation and other pressures. And then, of course, there is that whole BBC documentary saga where once again Mr. Modi's name has been linked to the Gujarat riots in a manner that the courts would have found problematic. But nonetheless, the BJP has called these individuals compulsive contrarians who spread misinformation, etc. Now, the people don't seem to have bought into it. Why?
Because these people are not connected with the grassroots people. If you understand the mindset of the people, then one will never make such kind of statement. Now, the economic situation of our country, today the whole globe is facing a crisis. After the pandemic, COVID-19 and the Ukraine-Russia conflict, everybody knows that even the big economies, advanced economies are facing crisis. In such situation, India has been able to manage itself because of Prime Minister's very prudent financial management and very sound economic policies. Now, in such difficult time, when country is performing well, country is giving leadership to the world, instead of standing rock solid behind the Prime Minister, these few opposition parties are criticizing the government, trying to weaken the country's position. People understand all these things. People will not easily buy this kind of negative political agendas. That is why when the political result comes, that is the reflection of the people's thinking. Now the opposition parties are saying that they want to unite. They want to come together and fight Modi ji. What for? If you are uniting to do something for the country, well, please welcome. But if you are uniting to defeat Modi ji, people will not tolerate it, because people of India are solidly standing behind Modi ji and Bharatiya Janata Party. That is why I feel, as you said, in the backdrop of some of the so-called controversies which are generated by a set of people. In India, I am very sorry to say that some people in India are at the payrolls of the agencies and organizations which are very adverse to India, and they are talking about this BBC, all these issues. People of India are not going to tolerate. They will not accept it. Negative politics will be thrown out by people of India, and we are solidly behind Prime Minister, and Prime Minister is well on course to make India a developed country by 2047, and nobody can stop it.